In this tutorial, we will add assets to our CMMS. An organization's physical assets are its buildings, equipment, machines, vehicles, forklift trucks, etc., etc. Basically anything that could be repaired or maintained. We will start with a building and then add equipment to that building. Click Lists on the main header and select Assets. Click Add New on the top right-hand side. The first asset you add to the system should always be a top-level asset, like a building. You can then add equipment later and put them in that building. Add the asset name, in this case, building number 1. Next, add your asset code. There are lots of articles written on asset coding or asset nomenclature. From our experience, when looking at the asset code, you should know what the asset is and where it is located. In this case, it's B1. Assign an asset category. Asset categories help group and compare like-for-like assets. In this case, it's facilities. The next few fields are more applicable to equipment. This asset is a top-level asset, so it doesn't have a parent. Highly unlikely a building will have a serial number or barcode. So for the top-level asset, we will skip these steps. Click to add a photo of the top-level asset if you have one on your drive. Now normally we could click Save and add another asset, but as this is the top-level asset, we should add an address. Click View Full Asset Record to add more asset-related information. We're now on the asset record. Select Asset Details and click Edit. Add in the address for the building. The field has autocomplete functionality integrated to Google Maps built in, so type as much as you can and the system should find it. Click Save when done. Now that we have a top-level asset such as this building, we can now add equipment to the system and put them in this building. Navigate back to Assets and click Add New again. Add the asset name. Next, the asset code. This is CNC Machine 3 in Building 1, so we'll use B1-CNC-03. Assign an asset category. Select Building 1 as the parent asset. Populate the serial number and barcode fields if needed. Add any asset attributes. Simply put, asset attributes are used to attach labels to your assets. Finally, add the image and click Save. Repeat this process until all of your buildings, equipment and vehicles are added to the CMMS. In particular, don't forget to add a parts storeroom so you can add your parts later. And that's it for this tutorial.